How to fix hover and click from the taskbar icon not working in Windows 11 24s2. Hello friends, you might be getting a weird problem on Windows 11 24s2. Suppose you opened multiple windows of an app. Now you want to switch to another window. Then hovering on the icon here and selecting other windows doesn't work. You can't switch by clicking on the window. Actually, this is a bug. You can use a trick to get rid of this issue. When you are unable to switching to these windows, go to the extreme right of the taskbar and click on Show Desktop. Now try to switch to the window. You will be able to switch to the window. Apart from this, sometimes clicking twice on the icon can also work. Hope this will be soon fixed by Microsoft. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.